What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Office 365. First thing you should do is to simply click on your Windows icon, then you have to search for Word, then click on Word, and now you have to go to account and check if you are signed in using your account or not. Then go to options. And on the left side right here, you have to go to customize ribbon. Then here from this bar right here, choose commands not in the ribbon. And now we have to scroll down till we find Microsoft 365 Insider. So tap on it. Then what you should do right now is to simply go on the right side and you will find down below right here new tab. Click on new tab button, then you should select the new tab that you have created, and after that you will have to click on rename, and now you have to rename it Office Insider, for example. And now after renaming it, click on the new group below the new tab, then choose Microsoft 365 Insider, and now you have to click on the add button right here. So after clicking on the add button, it should be added right here, so make sure it's added under the new group. And now once you finish, click on OK down below right here, and now I have to choose from the above options right here Office Insider, then click on this one right here, and after clicking on it, now you have to check all of these options. Then after checking all of these options, click on OK right here, and after that there should be an updates on your Microsoft programs, and after updating they will send you an email once you join Microsoft Insider. And after receiving this email, you will now be able to use Copilot in your Microsoft Office 365. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.